In this video, we're going to talk about some more about using the turtle graphics in Python. So up until now, we've done turtles in Google Colab, which doesn't fully support the turtle library. It's only a subset, and it's kind of weird to work with, okay? So this is also going to be our first example of actually creating standalone Python programs, not part of a notebook, okay? So to do this, we're using a program called PyCharm. Okay, so PyCharm is available free, at least the community edition is available free. So you can download it, search for PyCharm, you should be able to find it. It's also going to be there in the lab. Okay, so that should be fine for that. Okay, so I've created a new project here and I've already done that. But if you go to File down to New Project, you can create a new project. I call mine CSC 1010 just for the class name. Okay. Once you're there, you can go to File and Create, click on the New keyword, and then select Python file. Okay, I'm going to call this ttest.py. Okay, it's important that you know where this file is stored. So unlike before, if you did it on Colab and it was shared with me, you had turned it in. So for this program, you're actually going to have to upload the file to Canvas. Okay, so make sure you know where it's located, and it's located here. You can see at the bottom it shows in my case, it's my username, PyCharm projects, CSC 1010, V and V. No, sorry, that's the executable over here. This is the actual where it's located at. Okay, so this is the file you want to find when you're uploading. Okay, so again, with this one, you can pretty much follow along with the book. It has most of the same things with one exception. So let me do an import turtle, if I can type it correctly. Okay. And once I've imported a turtle, then I have to do a turtle setup. Okay. Where I have to pass at least a height and a width for it. Okay. And if you wanted to rename your turtle something else, you could do that up here, but you don't have to. Okay. So you have to set up the turtle. Okay. I can do something. I can do a turtle.forward 100. And then I can do now, for the first time, we can do a turtle.circle with a radius of, let's say, 20. Okay, first time we can do that. Okay. One thing that's different, I think, in PyCharm that the book doesn't talk about, at least I didn't see it, was if you want to be able to see your image, you have to do a turtle.done. That makes the window stick. If not, it just displays it and deletes it immediately. Okay. So another strange thing, I'd mentioned this a little bit in class, the first time you run a program in PyCharm, it defaults to this main typically. And I've already ran this one, so it's not. But if you right click and then go down to run t-test, it will actually run your program. And I'm not sure if you can see this. Let me see. I may have to share the output window separately. Yeah, you can see that it went through and it went forward and it went around the circle. Okay, so that should be working okay. Okay. And then the next step, of course, would be once you get it working, once things, that's sharing the wrong thing. Try it again. There we go. Of course, this would have, before any of this, it would have your comment block. With your name and all that stuff. Okay. But once this is done, you make sure it's saved. Again, it saves automatically usually. In fact, it doesn't let me save. There's a save as button, so it saves it as it goes. Okay. So look on your computer in this directory down here, find the file, upload that to Canvas, and you should be ready to go. Okay. If you have questions, as always, make sure you let me know.